In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where other people can't join your mobile hotspot. So if you're trying to connect to your hotspot on another device, or maybe someone you know is trying to connect to your hotspot and is unable to connect, then what you need to do to fix this is first head over to the home screen on your phone, click on the settings app, and then select personal hotspot. Now obviously make sure it's turned on, and then what we're going to do is just turn it off and wait for 5 seconds and then turn it back on. Also make sure you're typing in the correct Wi-Fi password. Remember that the password is case sensitive, so even a single wrong letter is going to cause this not to work. Now if you have this turned on and the Wi-Fi password is correct, then what you'll need to do is just scroll down to the bottom of this screen and you'll see this option for maximize compatibility. Now by default this will be turned off, but what you need to actually do is enable it like so, and that's going to allow 2.4 gigahertz devices to connect to your device. When you have this switched off, it only allows 5 gigahertz connections, so that will be the reason why you're not able to connect to your hotspot. So once you've turned that on, that should have fixed any hotspot issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.